Hi guys, I wanted to make a video, which I've told you guys I'm going to do several times here, so I thought I would get started with it. So the flip that we just completed in South Scottsdale, like an Old Town Scottsdale area, which you guys have seen lots of videos on my Instagram about it. I just wanted to kind of tell you that property closed on Friday. So all the numbers are now in, all the expenses, all the repair costs, everything like that are all in. So I just wanted to kind of go over the numbers of what they were and what was going on, just so you guys have an idea. And I'll put some pictures and stuff in here as well. So that house ended up being purchase price of $292,756. That was the initial purchase price on it. I ended up putting in $48,824 in contractor repairs and materials and stuff, and $6,083 in like Home Depot and miscellaneous parts like that. So that was a total rehab cost of $54,908. That also included all of the repairs that the buyer requested after the contract was accepted, after they were done with their inspection, because every property always has obviously some repairs that the buyer wants after they have it under contract. So that includes all of those costs. So the total carrying costs on it were, with utility bills and everything, were $12,300. That was the hard money costs to the lender, as well as all of the fees for utilities and everything like that as well. Closing costs on it, with all the realtor fees, title fees, all that kind of stuff, were $15,318. I ended up selling the house for $397,900, which was great. So that ended up, when everything was said and done, my profit that I took home after all the expenses, so realtor fees, rehab costs, everything, hard money, payments, utilities, everything, ended up with a profit of $22,616. So it's not too bad. I was hoping for a little bit more from it, but the costs all added up, of course, just a tad more, just like they always do. But nonetheless, it still fit what I was looking for, which every property I do, I try to hit at least a $20,000 profit. And this one, like I said, $22,616. So that was pretty good. That duration of time, which I should have pulled up here. Let's see here. I purchased that property, I think it was the end of April. Yep, so the end of April. So we had, basically, it was right at the end of April, but essentially the first day of May. So it was May, June, July, so 3 months and 11 days. So what's it, about 101 days? So not too bad. So in 101 days, to make $22,616, I felt was a pretty good profit from it. So of course we're on to the next one, which of course you guys have already seen if you're watching any of the Instagram stuff. But feel free to follow me on Instagram if you don't already, which most people that are on YouTube are following me, but it's Lenny Behie is my Instagram, so it's LENNYBEHIE. So that I keep all the current projects and stuff going there. Anybody's looking to do any flips or investments or anything kind of in the Phoenix area is typically where I do most of my stuff. Definitely let me know. Be happy to help you guys to do anything like this as well. But if you're looking for properties, looking to flip, looking for any help or whatever, definitely let me know. Comment below what you saw on kind of Instagram, what's going on, and what you think of these numbers. Just kind of curious what everybody's thoughts are, if that was a good investment or not. Oh, so actually this is a really important part of it. So my total cash out of pocket was it was $65,000. So cash out of my pocket was $65,000 with a $22,616 profit. So that was a really important piece that I apologize that I missed, but that's what it was. So my cash on cash return was obviously pretty substantial, which is exactly why I use the hard money you know, loans instead of using my own cash for it, because my cash on cash return is much higher, and it allows me to do more projects than just this one, because of course I've got, as you guys know, I usually have 3 to 5 projects at a time going on. So it allowed me to put $65,000 of my cash in with $22,000 profit. Of course, if I had all cash in it, then I would have gained back that almost $12,000 of interest that I paid. So I would have had that much more profit, which would have put me at like $34,000. But of course, now I would have been, you know, out all of that cash, which would have been, I don't know, without doing the math exactly, would have probably put me about $370,000 of cash out of my pocket. So instead of taking $370,000 of cash out of my pocket, took $65,000 out, used the leverage of the hard money, paid the higher interest, of course, at the just almost $12,000 worth of interest to it, but of course made $22,000. So anyhow, thank you guys so much, and I'm gonna try to do some more of these videos so you guys can see. But like I said, comment below what else you guys would like to see in videos, and what you guys think of this. Thanks a lot.